Hi, in this video we will calculate the hoop stress and longitudinal stress of a thin cylinder. We will evaluate these expressions in the Python script mode. Let's open the Python script mode. Calculate the circumferential or hoop stress. Pressure inside the cylinder. P is the pressure inside the cylinder. D is the diameter of the cylinder. T is the thickness of the cylinder. Oh, it's a typo error here, not J, thickness. Now hoop stress. Hoop stress formula is given by P, pressure into diameter divided by 2 into thickness. Print circumferential or hoop stress in cylinder. Percentage of means float values. Percentage hoop stress. Hoop stress is nothing but this hoop stress is evaluated. And longitudinal stress. Calculate the longitudinal stress. Now longitudinal stress is given by pressure into diameter divided by 4 times thickness of cylinder. Longitudinal stress in cylinder. Longitudinal stress. We will run this. Okay, save. Just give values. Pressure inside the cylinder 100 pascals. Diameter of the cylinder 10 mm. Thickness of the cylinder 1.5 mm. Yeah, see, circumferential or hoop stress in cylinder is 333.3 megapascal, and our longitudinal stress in cylinder is 166. That is half of the circumferential stress.